Okay, so guys, in this video we are going to learn how to fix unfortunately Formula car racing game is stopping. It keeps stopping. So this is how to fix unfortunately the Formula game or the car race keeps stopping. So first of all, you have to go to your phone menu, then you tap on settings. After tapping on the settings, what you have to do is to tap on app and preference or app and notification. After that, what you have to do next is to wait for the see your apps to appear, then you tap on the see your apps. So after tapping on it, you have to wait for the apps to also appear. So as it appear over here, what you have to do next is to tap on the search bar over here, then you search in for the Formula Car Racing game. So in this video, I'm going to use a demo app to replace this. So what you have to do is to tap on the car race when it appear or when you search for it. When you click on it, make sure the notifications is toggled on. And this step is all the same, so you have to focus over here because this place is really important. After checking out the notification, what you have to do is to turn on the mobile data, which is the background data. So turn it on. After that, tap on the storage and cache. Tap on the cache, tap on the storage, then you tap on OK. Then after that, you go back, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Check the permissions whether everything is allowed. If not, then allow everything because it's really necessary. After doing this, check for updates for the Formula Car Racing game. After updating it, what you have to do is to restart your device. So you tap on your power button for some while, then you tap on the restart, tap on OK, everything is going to work perfectly for you. So this is how to fix. Unfortunately, Formula Car Racing game has, keep stopping.